Have you ever tried to sketch the unique interior walls that dormers create? In this training, you'll learn how to build the triangle-shaped wall pieces created by dormer walls. The intersection of the peak loft ceiling with the flat ceiling of the dormer means there are two triangular-shaped wall pieces extending into the room along the ceiling. With the missing wall tool, click and drag an opening from the corner of the loft and the dormer. Select the missing wall and open its properties. While rectangle, flat arch, and round arch are the most common shapes, other shapes can be used to create unique wall shapes. Change the shape to trapezoid. This shape requires additional information: the side A height and the side B height. Enter the measurements for the heights of the two ends of the triangular section. Also, make sure that the opening is being deducted. Be sure to check the openings in 3D to make sure that they are oriented correctly. If one of the triangles is backwards, reopen the properties and switch the measurements for side A and side B heights. The triangular wall sections are now ready to go. Check the walls in 3D to make sure that they look correct. The small vertical strips of wall are an unavoidable remnant, but they won't add any more than a square foot or two depending on the height of the room. And that's it. That's how to create interior dormer walls.